Are you struggling with finding the values of unknowns in a sequence? So join me as we solve this problem together. If 8, x, y, z, and 32 is an AP, that's an arithmetic progression, find the value of x, y, and z. An arithmetic progression is characterized with the presence of a common difference, unlike that of a GP that is characterized with the presence of a common ratio. We're asked to find the value of x. X is the second term, y is the third term, and z is the fourth term. The nth term of an arithmetic progression is t subscript a equals to a plus in brackets n minus 1 times d. Now this formula helps us to find the nth term, that is the value of whatever position in an AP. So here we want to find the value of the second term. A is 8, the first term is a. We are asked to find the value of x, y, and z. The common difference is the succeeding term minus the preceding term. The difference between two consecutive terms, so x minus 8 is a common difference. Or you say that the common difference is y minus x, that's also correct. Or you say 32 minus z, that's also correct. That's the common difference. But in this case, we really need to be very careful of what to substitute the common difference as. We have also been given the value of the last term. 32 is the last term. So the last term is 32. The last term is also the same as the nth term. The last term is the same as the nth term of an AP. How many terms do we have in total here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the value of the fifth term, which is the same as the last term, is 32. So we could say that the fifth term is 32. And that's the same as the value of the last term. So let's use that information to find this problem. The fifth term, that's a plus n minus 1 times d. The value of the fifth term is 32, so you substitute this as 32 equals to a, that's 8, plus n. N is 5 minus 1 times d. I want to use this, x minus 8. So what we are doing, or what we want to do now, is to find the value of x first, then we can find the value of y and z. Again, I told you that the value of the fifth term is 32. It is given to us from the problem. In the question, 32 is the last term, and that's also the fifth term. So I've just written that the fifth term is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. Our n will be 5 because we're talking about the fifth term. And then I have substituted the value of the fifth term as 32. So 32 equals to 8 plus 5 minus 1, that's 4, times x minus 8. I hope you understand that. Okay, so let's continue with this. This is 32. When you take 8 to the other side, becomes minus 8 equals to 4 times x, that's 4x. 4 times minus 8 is minus 32. So we can rearrange this. 32. When this 32 crosses the other side, it becomes plus 32. So this is plus 32 minus 8 equals to equals to 4x. So 32 plus 32, that's 64. 64 minus 8, 64 minus 8, that's 56, equals to 4x. And the coefficient of x is 4, so divide by 4. 56 divided by 4 equals to x, and x is equals to 14. X equals to 14. So now we have the value of x. We are left to find the value of y and z. So to find the value of y and z, remember I said that The common difference is x minus 8. You still remember that? The common difference is x minus 8. X minus 8 is the common difference. Now we have the value of x, right? Which is 14. Then what do you think the common difference is? That's 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8, and that's going to be 6. So the common difference, we actually need that common difference in order for us to do all other things. So x is 14 minus 8, and d is 14 minus 8 is 6. So we have the common difference at 6. We can use this information to find all the other values. All right, so let's get back here. We also said that the common difference d is y minus x. D equals to y minus x. So if d equals to y minus x, we can say d, which is 6, equals to y minus x. Minus x is 14. X is 14, yes. So when we rearrange these, we have 6 plus 14 equals to y, and y equals to 20. I hope you can see that. Okay, let's go find the value of z. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this so that you don't miss any other video I'm going to share with you. Let's find the value of z now. To find the value of z, we can also say that our common difference d is 32 minus z, or you say the common difference is z minus y. The common difference is always the difference between consecutive terms. Consecutive terms. So if I go with 32 minus z, what am I going to have? So my d is 6 equals to 32 minus z. So if you rearrange this, I have z equals to 32 minus 6. So z equals to 32 minus 6. What is it going to give us? That's 26. So we have the value of z as 26, x is 14, y is 20, and z is 26. So if you're asked to write the sequence now, so the sequence would be, let's have it, 8, 14, 20, 26, and 32. That's the sequence.